Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Firstly, the market began on a very tepid note. Almost it opened very flattish part, about 4 points down on the Nifty and 10 points down on the Sensex. So now everyone was eagerly, in fact, including the analysts as well as the traders and investors, were waiting for the RBI monetary policy meeting, which concluded at 11, and the results were out just about at 11:05, where the RBI governor has kept the key rates unchanged. That means the repo and reverse repo has been kept unchanged. Now, in fact, the whole market were expecting that RBI governor would be going ahead and cut the key rates by repo rates by 25 bips, but that didn't happen, and only the cut happened was in CRR by 25 bips, which would kind of improve the liquidity situation in the banking system. That will almost release 17,400 crores into the banking system and in the economy. Now, after this, the RBI monetary policy outcome, which was kind of not taken in a positive by the market investors as well as traders, we are seeing some selling in real estate space and banking space, which are like kind of rate sensitive and highly beta compared to other sectors. We see SBI, ICICI Bank down by almost 2.5% to 3% respectively, because there has been wide anticipation that there will be some kind of rate cut. Even the statements which were given that they have decreased the GDP from 6.5 to 5.8, so that is another hawkish and cautious statement. Even the inflation target has been revised from 7 to 7.5. So this was not at all a good announcement or the comments from the RBI side, because we were hoping that at least some respite would be seen in today's outcome, but nevertheless it didn't happen, and there was been selling all the while in the metals, as I said, and real estate and banking. Coming on to the mid-cap shares, that is the second line, we can say the Orbit Corp had gained 3% after its net profit almost doubled to 8.6 crores, but that also gain was more or less wiped out after the announcement of the RBI meet. Escomas tanked 4% after the company's US subsidiary filed for the bankruptcy protection. So that's again a bad news for the company, Indian. Colgate rose 1.5% in its as the net profit increased to 145 crores from rupees 99.5 crores. So that's again a good results. Coming on to the SKS Microfinance, plunged nearly 5% on higher than expected loss in the quarter. Now the company reported a loss of 262 crores as against the loss of 38 crore in the previous quarter and a loss of 384 crore in the year ago quarter. So it was kind of a bad results announced by the company, and that's why it took a beating. IRB Infra rose 3% ahead of the numbers today. IRB Infra is going to announce the results today, and United Spirits climbed over 3% after the yesterday's sharp fall, so it's kind of again bouncing back, or maybe it's a short covering. Now this RBI meet, the rupee has weakened further and it has breached the 54 mark. So now right now it's 54.18, 54.15 against the US dollar. So that's not again the good news for the market, as rupee has been constantly around 53.75 to 53.8 range. It has broken that. Friends, overall not a good day for the market, and RBI not giving any sign of relief for the economy and the market. Friends, that's all the news and update. We'll get back to you in the post market. Thank you.